that block. Now I bees the block.
Let me upgrade. I hear you be the block, but I'm the life to keep the streets on. Know this you the type that like to keep them on the leash though. I'm known to walk alone, but I'm alone for a reason. Sending me a drink ain't appeasing, believe me. Come harder, this won't be easy. Don't doubt yourself, trust me, you need me. This ain't a shoulder with a chip or an ego. But what you think they all mad at me for? You need a real woman in your life. Good, taking care, home and still fly. And I'ma help you build up your account. Better yet, believe in me. Upgrade, automatic, out of populate.
B-boy who infiltrated all the corporate dudes. They call shots, I call audibles. Take up the jeweler, bubbles, arrange sports sort of do. It's big ballin', baby, when I'm courting you. So I order yours tomorrow. Now look at the time I saved ya. Mama, let me upgrade you.
Things get tough, yeah. Life is like a roller coaster. Holding on, yeah, ride it out. It's not enough, yeah. Live your life till this is over. Holding on, yeah.
Real hot girl shit. They can't stop me. Say I can't do it, bitch, watch me. All you lame hoes turn hate into a hobby. Damn, watching me gotta turn you on. I should have my own category in porn. Ooh, I'm just such an obsession. See about me, your IG suggestions. Sick, no ad on prosthetics. Everything about me came from genetics. Yeah, I been getting money, I ain't new to this. Miss one, catch one, I ain't new to fish. But if he throwing that broad and I get hooked, then you doing your job, baby. All these hoes imitate me. You gon' fuck a stand or the real Slim Shady. Toxic, suck a soul out, then block it. Got more cream than a Sunday topping.
Dollar sign slime, they gon' feel me. I'm the same dollar sign slime, they gon' feel me. I'm the same